Today, we're going to learn how to start and end a conversation in English, step by step. You'll learn how to introduce someone, ask simple questions, and end the talk politely. Let's get started. When you want to introduce your friend, here are some natural ways to say it. Let me introduce my friend, Junior. I'd like you to meet my friend, Junior. This is my friend, Junior. Have you met Junior? Meet my friend, Junior. All of these mean the same thing. You're helping two people meet for the first time. If you want to know what someone does, you can ask, what do you do? Where do you work? What is your job? What is your profession? What do you do? Is the most common and natural in everyday English. Here are some polite things to say when meeting someone. Nice to meet you. Good to meet you. It's a pleasure meeting you. Glad to meet you. You can say these after someone introduces you and they make you sound friendly and polite. To ask how a person is doing, try these. How are you? How's it going? How have you been? How's life? How are you feeling? These are all friendly ways to start a conversation. If you want to talk about studies or school, you can say, what did you study? Where did you study? What's your education? What are your strong subjects? Where did you graduate from? What did you study your master's in? You can choose simple ones like, what did you study? Or where did you graduate from? In everyday talk. When it's time to leave, you can say, it was nice talking to you. I've got to go now. I'm already late. Can we talk later? I'll see you later. I think I should move now. These are polite and natural ways to end your conversation without being rude. And that's it. Now you know how to start, continue, and end a conversation in English like a native speaker. Practice these lines every day, and soon you'll speak more naturally and confidently. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons.